Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I know we just got back from our Chicago vacation, but this weekend has been planned far in advance. And I've never made a camping video. We go every year, so this would be a good time to show all of our gear. And sorry again for not a DIY home improvement video, but the wife and I, we do enjoy traveling, exploring Mother Nature, and seeing what's out there to help us make a healthy and happy home life. Before I bring out everything and start packing, let's go shopping and fill up the cooler. We are back from Stater Brothers, got ice, alcoholic, non-alcoholic drinks with dino nuggets. We don't have any kids, but the friends we're going camping with do, and they love that. They also love these. We have simple camping food, quesadillas with condiments. Normally we would get more food, but the friend group has a bunch of food, so that is our pretty simple grocery shopping lists. Let's start packing and getting all the gear out. Here is all of our car camping stuff. I really like this camp stove. These are bowls, got some cups, light, sleeping pad, sleeping bag, camp table, camping chairs, tent, cooler, some snacks, some random stuff. Gonna hop in the shower and head out. We got the tent up, sun's going down. They already started a fire. Here was our dinner. I don't know if we can see that, but there is so much food. Gonna sit by the fire and enjoy some s'mores. Good morning. So we just had breakfast and might be cutting this trip a little short because since 1930, California has not had a tropical storm, and it looks like it's gonna start raining soon. So we're gonna pack up a little bit. If we need to leave, we're able to leave. We're back home and definitely sad to cut the trip short, but really glad now we're not dealing with this while camping and just sitting in our tent waiting for the rain to stop. Always better safe than sorry. The good news is this is excellent soup weather, so we're gonna grab some noodles with our friends. Video number 173 done.